Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Now you need to click on Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those colors, like pink. Click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and tap on Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images, like that one. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!